Hello everyone, Sanbonani, Dumelang.
Nonku Williams was celebrating her son's birthday over the weekend. The party was also attended by DUDUZANE Zuma, the son of the former President Jacob Zuma. And it seems like the party was lit, judging by the posts that are in Nonku's Instagram. Musa Kaula, the entertainment blogger, took it to his timeline. The picture looks so innocent. Musa captioned the image, Nonku Williams with DUDUZANE Zuma. Chips reacted on the news. Some people will amaze you though. Others went as far as saying that they want DUDUZANE Zuma to be their leader if he's selected as the ANC president. They'll vote for the ANC. Yeah, but there are so many reasons why you shouldn't vote for the ANC. We are not there, hey? We understand women love DUDUZANE. I mean, look at the sky. One chip said, DUDUZANE has that thing that makes me wanna shout, lead me. He's the only time I'll ever vote for ANC. I need a president that has present, not this corrupt double chocolate Starbucks muffin funeral sleeper. That's Ramaphosa right there. Other trips said Nonku is always thirsty for men. Another trip wrote, Uposiwe Mtase, she posted around midnight. That night, pole dancing, it was screaming thirst vibes, and she took down the video because a lot of people were calling her out. Ezinjani intloni for a party yomntwana. Well, I think it's a beautiful picture right there, and they were just having fun. Share your thoughts on this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.